Hey, in this video, I'll show you very simply how to get weather alerts in iOS 17. So if you appreciate that, give me a like and hit the subscribe button if you're new. The first thing you want to do is go over to the weathers app. If you don't have it on your home screen or you're not sure where you have it, just swipe up and type in weather right here. You want to open it up. And here you want to click on the list icon at the bottom right corner. You want to navigate to the top right corner, 3 dots, click there. Here you want to click on notifications, and to get notifications you have to enable the weather app location services. Let's go ahead and do that. Clicking on allow, it will send me critical alerts, and it can send you either next hour predictions or severe weather alerts. You can also save different locations, but that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out in any way, give me a like. If you're still having any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out. See you next one.